Hello and welcome to my channel and the third and final part of MiHome app video. Okay, so let's run MiHome app and we'll switch to the profile tab. The first item is messaging, and in messaging we can see all the messages that are notifications from various devices. And then we can see home sharing notifications. That's whether somebody accepted invite to use the shared device. So these devices you can share, that's the second menu. You can share either the whole home or a single device. So if you want to share single device, you just click on a device and select people that you want to share it with. They'll get invitation, so we can share this one, and okay, and the other one okay, and they'll get invitation, so now they'll be able to use this digital spy hole. So now when we return to messaging, we will see that invitations has been sent for digital spy hole to these two users. Okay, consumables means battery status or filter status. In case of air purifier, it's either okay or not okay. Voice settings is not very useful for us since it's only Chinese. And My Store is also not useful. BLE gateway is Bluetooth Low Energy gateway, and as you can see I have 4 of those and I never use it for anything. Then there are settings. Here you can check for updates, but it doesn't work if you're in Chinese server. Then there's a shortcut card setting. Whether when you click on a device you want shortcut card or you want to use it directly. Then you can do various things with home, rename it, manage home, and allow proximity discovery of devices. Facial recognition management only works with some digital doorbells. Do not disturb for messages. This is where you choose the region, which is of course mainland China, and the language. And privacy settings, you can join user experience program. Then experimental features is mostly empty, but other platform devices could be useful if you can find some other device, because everything is in Chinese. That means that those other devices are able to function within MiHome. And then there's help and feedback, so when you click on a specific device you can send feedback, report an issue that something is not working. And there's user and privacy agreement, and that's about it for settings in MiHome app. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.